In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in GoDaddy. Removing a website from GoDaddy can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with navigating through GoDaddy's interface. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're looking to free up some space or just want a fresh start, getting this done is easier than you might think. First things first, let's head over to the GoDaddy website, open up your preferred web browser and type in GoDaddy's URL. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the sign in button, click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your account's main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you should see a section labeled with your account information. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Renewals and Billing. This option will take you to a page that lists all the GoDaddy products you are currently subscribed to. Look through the list of your active subscriptions and find the specific website you want to delete. Once you've located it, click on the option to cancel auto renewal. By doing this, you're essentially ensuring that your website won't be automatically renewed once it reaches its expiration date. Next, go ahead and click on Delete My Product. Doing so will initiate the website deletion process. However, GoDaddy requires a confirmation step to make sure you really want to delete your website. Here, you'll see a checkbox with an important acknowledgement statement. It reads, "To complete my request, I acknowledge I must open the email and select Yes, I want to delete." Check this box, confirming your intention to delete, and click on Send Email. GoDaddy will then shoot an important email to the address associated with your account. This email contains the final step in the deletion process. Head over to your email inbox and locate the email from GoDaddy, open it, and you will find a button or link that says something like, "Yes, I want to delete." Clicking this is the final step in the process, officially confirming your decision to delete your website. Remember, once deleted, your website data will be permanently removed and cannot be retrieved, so ensure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to delete a website from GoDaddy. Feel free to hit that like button or subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.